Hey everyone, welcome to day 4 of your toolkit, cultivating a positive mindset while managing chronic conditions. First off, remember, this video is informational and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider. Alright, let's dive in. Positive thinking isn't just about being optimistic, it's a powerful tool for building emotional resilience. Research shows that persistent negative thoughts can actually worsen chronic illness symptoms. So it's crucial to challenge those negative patterns. Ever heard of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT? It can help you spot those automatic negative thoughts, like "I have to do it all today," or "today was a waste," or "I'm lazy." Instead, try reframing these thoughts. For example, shift "I'm lazy" to "I'm chronically ill and trying my best." CBT has proven to reduce pain and improve coping skills. It's all about taking those negative thoughts and turning them into balanced, reality-based viewpoints. Now, let's talk about gratitude. Spending just 5-10 minutes a day on gratitude meditation can improve sleep, heart health, and even glucose levels. Try these affirmations. I am in charge of my healing journey. I appreciate every small win, and I treat myself with love and kindness. Reframing your relationship with your condition is key. Acknowledge your emotions without judgment, look for evidence against negative thoughts, and develop present-focused action plans. This helps you maintain emotional resilience without falling into toxic positivity. Remember, it's not about ignoring challenges, but building a constructive relationship with your condition. Identify those automatic thoughts and look at them objectively. This exercise will help you reshape your thoughts in more supportive ways. Thanks for joining me today. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Take care.